What's going on, guys? It's GBP baby. Welcome to another video. It's currently 2:17 AM on Tuesday the 28th of November, and we're going to be starting with DXY as per usual. Not much has happened on Monday. We did move lower as anticipated. You can see we're starting to run. We've just delivered down into that sell side liquidity that I marked out in Sunday's review, so that's nice to see. So I'm expecting a continuation because, like I said again in yesterday's video, I'm looking to see if this monthly order block can get traded down into, and then I want to see what kind of reaction we have off that order block. But yeah, not much has changed. We have a weekly fair value gap here still there, which I'm anticipating us to trade into, which is lined up perfectly with that bullish monthly order block open. And yeah, I do think we're likely going to trade into that on the Tuesday, potentially create the low of the week, and again, depending on how we respond once we trade into it, I'd like to think that we can start to move to the upside, assuming we need to do a run on stops. Now, what am I expecting? Well, if we trade into this monthly order block, I want to see aggression moving away from it, so I don't want to see us spend too much time liaising around in the order block. I want to see us come in and come out as quick and aggressively as possible for it to indicate any kind of reversal. Other than that, if we say trade down and we don't see any kind of response, then I'll probably just stay out the charts and probably just watch to see what the price action is giving me. Now, one thing to take note of is that we do start December this week, and obviously next week is the first full week of December, so again the markets are going to be very fickle, and yeah, we're just going to have to see how price delivers. So let's go to GBP. So let's head to GBP, and you'll see that GBP actually delivered to that buy side liquidity just as anticipated. There was actually a nice setup today that I tape read. What time was it? It was here. So at 6:40, price came down into a breaker block, which offered a buying opportunity, and then from then price ran up, running into that buy side liquidity, which is lovely to see. So that would have been a nice buy if anyone was looking to go long. But yeah, that was a nice setup that I saw form today. But yeah, pretty much the same as what I was saying with dollar, just inverted. Took out the buy side. See if we can trade into this daily fair value gap. Remember, there's this massive bearish order block, here. Let's look on the weekly. We have this massive wick, so we can look at the 50% level of that. Excuse me, guys. So that's the highest I'd want to see price go to if we are to be anticipating lower prices on pound. So let's see if we can reach that, and then again see if we can get some kind of reaction. This is also in line with this breaker over here. Oh. This is a breaker block. Why? We've got a high, we've got a low, we've got a higher high. So this candle here is a breaker block in itself, which is another reason I'd want to see price turn around at this level. And we're in a premium in the range we're trading. This is all said in yesterday's video. We're now entering a premium, meaning that we can anticipate some kind of run on stops. So these are all things to consider. Let's go to euro, and you'll see that euro, I had my eyes set on this rejection block, which is this black level here. And on the weekly, we have a implied fair value gap from this close to this high. So I want to see if we can trade deeper into that. And on the daily, it's not very clean, so I don't really want to say too much on euro. But again, same thing. I just want to see if we can push a little bit deeper, and then because we're in a premium within the range, as in above the 50% level, I'm anticipating some kind of run on stops. So we'll see our price response. But that's going to be everything, guys. I do suggest you watch yesterday's video for more insight, and I'll catch you tomorrow. Peace.